We're here at Shades of Green at Walt Disney World. We thought we'd take you on a room tour. So let's check this out. Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Kathy from Vets on Vacay.
As a retired Navy family that loves to travel, we need to find ways to save money and take advantage of military discounts to help stretch our dollars.
Join us as we share our adventures, tips, and discounts to help you plan and save on your next adventure.
This is an Armed Forces Recreation Center, and you must be eligible to stay here. We put a link to the eligibility information in the video description, so be sure to check out the Shades of Green website before making reservations to confirm your eligibility and make sure you meet all the necessary ID requirements. Additionally, Shades of Green has a Salute to Our Veterans promotion, which allows all military veterans who have received an honorable discharge to stay at vacation at the Shades of Green during the months of January and September at a Category 3 rate. This is based on availability, of course. So the earlier you can book, the better the chance you can get a room. Shades of Green does sell out regularly, so check that out. One of the great things about staying at Shades of Green is you get to take advantage of early access and extended hours in the parks. Currently, at least in this wing, main elevators, guest elevators are out of order, being worked on. So we're going to be using a service elevator. The lobby and all that is on the second floor of this Magnolia wing, because the Magnolia wing has three floors to it. Room is on the third floor, but we're going to check out the laundry facility, which is, there's one in each wing, and it's in this case it's on the second floor here. So and it's right by one of the service elevators, which will go up. Interestingly, there's actually a bathroom in the laundry room here. As you can see, very large. These are all the washers that are here. A wash is $3.50, and it's 36 minutes. And the dryers are 50 minutes for $3.50 as well. Tons of, but I guess it makes sense because to have this many, because there's only one in each wing. You can get detergent and dryer sheets for $2 each. If you didn't bring your own, that is. Oh, and everything takes credit and debit card too. And you'll note it's really clean. This is kept clean. There are several vending and ice machine areas on each floor. All right, so we're in room 358. So let's go check it in. Key card to get in. And first thing on the left is the bathroom. We'll go in there first. You got 2 sinks, but lots of space. There is, as you come in, you'll see there's a hair dryer in the corner. The lighting is okay. Large mirror. Come across, it has hand and body lotion along with hand wash. So something I noticed when I came in is the little message for the Sharps containers. You can call down and have that sent up if you need that. Good to have. Just good to note that it's available. Come across, got these are the hand towels and face towels available. When we first checked in, I don't know, we were here maybe 15 minutes, and the housekeeping manager for the day came in and asked if we had enough towels, if we had everything we needed. And of course we did, but it was nice that she checked. It breaks up. I'm gonna turn the light on, so there's gonna be some noise, be aware. As we come in, you got standard toilet, but there's the fan set. That's the noise you're hearing, is the fan here. Towels, and this is I'm calling it a shub. A shower tub setup, a shub. With shower gel and shampoo. No conditioner on this one. That's the thing, this is all in good shape, taken care of. The closet. At the top, you have an ironing board. Plenty of space to hang your clothes, and a really nice part is this uses regular hangers, not those, what do you call them, hotel hangers with the little metal clip, with the little bar. Yeah, it doesn't have that, which I like. On the other side, There is extra bed linens at the top and blanket. There is also, oh nope, see if we get that off of there. Laundry services available as well. But as you saw already, there is a laundry here to do your own, but prices are on here if you want to do something of this nature. There is a safe. We have a 15.6 inch laptop. Did not fit, could not get it in there. So you can, now a 14 inch or an iPad probably could go in there. A tablet could go in there, no problem. But not a laptop that size. But there's a lot of room. Decent size, good size mirror right here. And when we come into the space, you're gonna see, in this case, it's a standard 2-queen bed. You got the thermostat right here. The light fixture has 2 outlets, one on each side of the light fixture. And clock has 2 regular outlets and a USB-A and a USB-C port. Two drawers. I don't know what I'm trying. We'll come this way, coming around. There's an outlet on the wall right here. Well, the nice thing at Shades of Green is their rooms are large. I mean, large enough to fit a dining table in here. Or a small one, but it's still a dining table. You can fit 4 people at this by pulling a couple of chairs in from the balcony, bring them in, and you can sit 4 around. There is a sofa bed available, and it does have instructions for how to open it up. So there you go. There is light switches. One of these is the light switch to go over the dining table. And then there's the second switch is for the fan that's over the dining table as well. There is a refrigerator. Simple, but good to go. The 3 drawers available. And a good sized television, a real good sized television. Channel guide, if you need it. Coffee maker with all the fixings that you need, sugars, creamers, all that for you. Hey, let's go out to the balcony. That opens wide. From the balcony, you have a view of the, call it the Mickey pool. They call it the Mickey pool. It's also called the Mill Pond pool. That's what it's officially called, with the slide and all of that's there. This is the 2-queen standard room here at the Shades of Green, Magnolia Wing. For Vets on Vacay, this is mine.